Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to read the music notes faster. Reading music notes can be challenging, especially for beginners. So some teachers use mnemonics to help students remember notes, like every good does a boy fine for lines and the stuff.
However, for notes like high E or F, it's not always practical to use those mnemonics. Instead, I recommend focusing on memorizing these key landmarks. We're gonna memorize these landmark notes. These notes can help us to find the other notes really fast. So first one is middle C. Middle C is below the staff, and G is the same line that treble clef curves around. And high C is written in the third space. Now that we memorized middle C, treble G, and high C landmark note, you don't have to read and memorize all individual single notes. Landmark note will help us just to count up or count down to find out the notes. So all you need to do is to find which of landmark notes is the closest in pitch to this one. So let's figure out what is the note. C, high C is the closest one to pitch this one. So that is below C. That has to be B, right? And the second one, what is note? It's right above G, right? So that has to be A. I would like you to practice finding these landmark notes in various music sheets. So for example, like you can find treble G only. I would recommend you are confident with this landmark in the treble clef first before moving to there in the bass clef.
I suggest spending about 3 to 5 days playing music consistently using only these notes. Once you get the hang of it, you should be reading and playing these notes pretty easily. But if you don't feel comfortable, you might want to just pinpoint which note you want to focus on more and why you don't feel comfortable with reading specific notes. So the most important thing is review and practice. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, just leave the comment.